Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix if all of these buttons are not working in an HME headset. Now if only one button is not working, that's a completely different problem. But if all the buttons are not working, that means the cable has gotten loose inside, and how to reconnect the cable. Alright, let's get started. So in order to fix this, what we need to do is, we don't even have to remove the sponge piece. You could remove the sponge piece, very simple, just like that. But you don't necessarily have to for this operation. So open the screws. You need a screwdriver that is T6. Let's go to the top camera here. T6. That's the type of screwdriver you need. And just open these screws. Only 3 screws to open. It's very simple. You should be able to do this in less than a minute. Okay, all 3 screws are out like this. So we have 3 screws, and there they are. All of them are. Sometimes they get stuck, but don't worry. You could magnetize your screwdriver, or you could just leave them there loose, and when you open it, they will fall. Now you open this just like that. Just like that. Nothing difficult, no rocket science. And this is the cable that has gotten loose. And I'm going to zoom in to show you how to tighten it. So the cable is a flat ribbon cable that plugs in to the main board. And the way you remove it and retight it is you open these parallel. You open them parallel and slide it out. Okay, now just make sure nothing is stuck on the pins and slide it back in all the way, so you only see the shiny part and not the carbon matte part. You only have to see the shiny part, okay? Because the matte part is the one supposed to be inside the connector. There. Now with one hand hold it in. With the other hand close both of these simultaneously like this. So let's say I'm holding this with this hand, and with the other fingers I hold them simultaneously. This must be in, this must be in, and this must be parallel with this. So basically the cable should be parallel like this, not like that or like that. So it should be like this, parallel 90 degrees, not like this or like that. Slightly not being parallel means one edge is not inserted all the way. That's it. Then you simply snap it back in place. This part, let me zoom out again. This part goes inside like that, and the bottom part, which is right here, snaps in, and you put back the screwdriver, the screws with the same order. And just close the screws, tighten the screws. Don't over tight them, just enough that it doesn't want to go in. That's it. These are very delicate. You don't want to over tight them. And voila, the unit is up and running and working again. That's just as simple as that. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Bye.